I've got a new treat I want to try out for my kitties. It's Krispy Kreme donut themed lollipops. They're gonna love this, I think. Individually wrapped. Let's see what Huckleberry thinks. They're so tiny, look. Can you get it? You got it. You can do it, baby. You're so cute. Should I break it for you? Oh, he's gonna take it away. Some more? Come on, you gotta bite it. Okay, silly boy. We'll break it off for you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. You're so funny. Oh my gosh. In a previous video, someone said he ate like Cookie Monster. I think it holds true. It's all over, right there. Oh, yum, yum. I wouldn't leave the sticks alone with them. They want to chew on them and it could be dangerous.